I'm Courtney, and today we're going to go through how to make cake cream as per the instructions on the back of the bag. Let's go. Today we're going to make the pink lace cake cream. So what you'll need is your bag of cake cream mix. So we've got the 400 gram bag here. To be able to make that mix, you'll need 200 mils of warm water, and you'll also need a 500 gram block of butter as well. Now with the butter, you can use salted or unsalted. It is completely up to you as to what you prefer for your taste. So our first step is we're going to tip our 400 gram bag of cake cream mix into our mixing bowl. So we want to pop that whole bag in there. Now our second step is we are going to add our room temperature 500 gram block of butter in. Now the reason we do this is so we can hand mix it so the mix doesn't puff up once it goes into the stand mixer. So we're just going to mix that together now. So just be careful it doesn't come out of the bowl. So we just want to mix it enough that the powder's not going to puff up. You'll start to see that the colour will show. Now don't be alarmed if this doesn't look exact, because the colour won't actually activate until we add the water. All right, so just mix that through. Now the next step is we're going to pop the mixing bowl onto our stand mixer and then slowly add our water through. So now we're going to pop this on our stand mixer, and we're going to mix this at a low speed just until it comes fully together. Now that that's combined, I'm just going to pull the mixer back open and just scrape down the sides of the bowl. And now we're going to slowly add in our warm water, so our 200 mils of water, at a low to medium speed until it fully combines. So just gradually add in your water. Now don't be too alarmed if it looks a bit wet and it doesn't look like it's coming together. Trust the process, it will eventually come together. Now that our water's completely tipped in, we're just going to let that mix and come together. I'm just going to pop the speed up a bit. Now that that's fully combined, I'm just going to pop this on high and leave it sit for a minute so it mixes completely together and gets rid of all the air bubbles. Now that the cake cream has all mixed together, I'm just going to get that off of our paddle attachment as much as I can. You don't want to waste any. You can always lick this at the end if you want. I'm going to take this off. And then just gonna give it another stir through. And as you'll see, got some beautiful silky Swiss meringue buttercream. And if you really want to get all the air bubbles out, you can let that sit longer than a minute at a high speed. But that's now ready to pipe. Now that our cake cream is all mixed and ready to use, I'm just going to pop it into a piping bag with a piping tip. Today I'm using a 1N. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is to pipe onto cupcakes. Today I'm also using the Loyal piping bag stand. Super easy to fill your piping bag with. Just going to put some cake cream mixture in there. Get that out of the way. Just gonna, all right. So we got just some cupcakes here. I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to pipe onto our cupcake. Making cake cream is super easy. You can also use the cake cream mix to make macarons. Meringue Kisses. You can use it to make brownies, cupcakes as well. On the back of the bag, we do have a QR code which will take you to all of the fun recipes you can make with cake cream.